Hello everyone, it's Doing Cubing here, and today we'll be doing a beginner's guide to notation on the Rubik's Cube. As you can see, I have made myself an intro, and I also have myself editing software. I'm not going to disclose what I'm using for those just yet, but I probably will once I make a few more videos. So anyways, onto the video. This video will basically explain how to read notation on the Rubik's Cube and how to follow algorithms on the Rubik's Cube. So yeah, let's get straight into the first notation. So the first notation is R. So to do R, all you do is hold the cube in a standard grip, and then with your right hand, you grip the cube and move it up. That's it. R is just moving the right side up. And the second notation is R prime, or as you can see on the screen, R with a quotation mark next to it. And that is basically the reverse of R. So instead of R, you move it back down with R prime. R, R prime. The second most common notation is the U move. And basically, you're just taking this top face and you're moving it that way. You're moving the U face that way. So that's U. And then U prime is, again, U with a quotation mark. And instead of moving it that way, you're moving it the other way. So you're moving it to your right. So once again, U and U prime. The third most commonly used notation is F. And F is basically rotating this front face clockwise. So F. As you can see, the front face is rotating. And then F prime is moving the front face counterclockwise. So F, F prime. Now on to more less commonly used notation. So one of them that is used in the beginner's method that I learned is the B move. Now the B move is different from the F move. It's moving this back face. But instead of moving it clockwise, you're going to be moving it counterclockwise. So if you have your cube here, and this is the back, this is your front, B would be moving the back like this. Okay? And then B prime would be moving it the opposite direction. So B and B prime. Once again, B and B prime. The next notation is D, and D basically is moving this down face or bottom face. So D prime is just like, well, let's start with D. D is just like a U prime, so it's the opposite of D is a U prime. So it's moving the bottom face like that. Then D prime is just like a U, so you're moving this bottom face like that. Okay, so once again, D prime and D. D prime, D. Next up, we have L. And L basically is the same thing as D, it's the opposite of R. So L is just like an R prime. So an L would be moving the left side down. That's L. And then for L prime, you'd move the left side up. So this is L prime. So once again, L and L prime. The last notation that you probably won't use until you get into more advanced algorithms is M. Now M prime, is moving the middle layer up. That's an M prime. And M is moving the middle layer back down. So M prime. Now on to some final terminology. So there also are double moves such as R2, U2, B2, and all that means is that do that notation twice. So U2 would be doing a U and then a U again, like that. And R2 would be right twice, and then a B2 would be back twice. So yeah, that's about it. Now just rewatch the video as many times as you need to until you've memorized all the Rubik's Cube notation. From there, you'll be moving on to learning how to solve the rest of the cube. So I'll be coming out with more videos teaching you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube in the upcoming days. Until then, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more cubing content.